Hey everyone, welcome back to our Love Drift channel. I got Toby, he's got his I Love Drift hoodie on. Very cute. Look there. And I got present for RX7. I gotta open it up from EFI Solutions. Bought myself some sensors and a starter motor and stuff for the things that are unexciting that you need, because the motor I got is a spare motor. What do you think, Toby? Huh? Do you want my starter motor? What do you think? Is it going to work? What else do we get? I got a gasket kit as well to build the engine. They actually they put it between 2 bits of 3mm MDF, medium density fiberboard. That was nice of them, wasn't it? So it didn't get folded or damaged. What's this? I bought something. Warning, once you open it, you can't return it. Oh, this is the oil. For the oil cooler, so it bolts directly to the side of the RB block. And then I can run the oil cooler line straight off. Comes with fittings, -10. Block off for the oil pressure sensors and temp sensors. It's got 3 outlets. Nice. Where's that? Where's that? I don't know what that is. It's to go there where your factory oil temp sensor would go. But I've bought in this box all of the things. I bought that's air temp sensor, water temp, and I also bought these, what are they called? I guess they're where did my movie star go? Toby! These are temperature and pressure sensors. They do both. They're like 5-pin Bosch pressure and temperature sensors. So I'm going to put one in the fuel and one in the oil, so I can monitor the pressure and set up safeties in the ECU in the computer. So I bought 2. So if the fuel pressure dies, if the pump dies, it can cut the engine. And if the oil pressure dies, it can cut the engine. Safety first. Bought the expensive parts and what that? Remain sealed. Bought a gasket kit. Oh. Knock sensors. 2 of those, because I've got to mount them to the side of the block. Young Scott Frost showed me a trick for that. You drill out the factory ones and tap a thread into them, and then you can bolt these to those, because the RB knock sensors are junk apparently. So, and all the associated plugs. Start doing some wiring and stuff. So yeah. They were sold out of purple, so I had to get blue because I didn't want red. And they were sold out of black, so the two colours I wanted, that was sold out of, so I got blue. It's got O-rings, this is installation guide. Sweet. That was fun. Let's put this over here on Mona. It's good storage. Goes back in there. Dun, 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 dun. Gasket kit for the whole engine, because I was going to change the rear main seals and stuff, and then I sort of thought, oh, I should get everything so I can change it all. And I've got metal head gasket, Chromatic, to do that. So I just got to order some rods and oil pump, probably an N1 oil pump, and the billet pump gears, spline drive, probably do that. Oh yeah, and an oil drain. I need to do an oil drain, don't I, at the back of the head. Then I can start pulling the motor out, pulling that down, because I want to weld a strut tube in the back of the engine bay on the RX7, so yeah. I was doing stuff and I didn't film it. Did knuckles. Sweet choppies. Literally I just shortened them, cut them, put it underneath, weld it back on. Actually I took out about 12 mil in the arm because they're like really long arm. Like. So yeah. Pink and teal, look at that, sexy ass. And yeah, that's about all I've done. Been pretty lazy this week. It's been raining and miserable, so PlayStation's better than the garage. But yeah, alright, stay tuned. I think I'm going to go and get some cable and wire up my hoist. I got to run a cat wire along the roof and over to the switchboard there in the corner. But yeah, then I can give myself some more room because I can put this thing up in the air. This 14. And yeah, the hoist is pretty much where it's going. But yeah, it's just like on the ground and sort of almost walking over it constantly. So I figure if I wire it up, it'll actually be useful rather than a hindrance. Anyway, do that. Stay tuned.